Okay, welcome to the next Blender tutorial. So today we are going to be making a phone background, or you can make a screen background or anything like that. So just go ahead and hold the center scroll and we'll go ahead and place the camera just roughly about here. We're going to go with view, align view and align camera to view. Okay, so once we've got this, we need to make sure that our camera angle is the correct diameter. So we're going to go with outputs, and by pixel we're going to type in how big our screens are. So right, okay, so once we've got something like this, I'm just going to go ahead and split the atom, and I'm going to go ahead and take this block right here, and because we're doing depth of field, we're going to make a little kind of artistic archways. So this one right here, what we're going to do is we're going to go material, and then we will change this to maybe a metallic. So we could go with metallic right here. We will go with roughness down, and this anisotrophy up, the one word that I can't pronounce. And we will change this to maybe like a gold, silver or red or something like that. Just something interesting. Okay, so let's go for alpha rotates. We will rotate this one and we're going to go around in a circle. So we'll go with G, bring this up to here. We'll go with Shift D, move this across this way. And we'll go rotate again. I'll place this here. You don't want them to intersect, so go ahead and place them at odd angles. We'll go with Shift D again. Alpha rotates. Just bring this around the back. We can go with G. And we can place this one here. And then we can go with Shift D. Move this. Alpha rotate. And we could probably put one down here. Just in front. And then, of course, we can go ahead and Shift D this one into the corner. So essentially, you're just making a series of little blocks all the way down. So I'm going to take all of these that we've just made. Let's go with Shift D and move this across. And we're going to rotate this one at odd angles. Totally up to you what you'd like to do. Maybe you could turn it around. Totally up to you. 1 second. My dog's trying to chew stuff. Alright, so we'll take these two and we'll go ahead and we'll move this down. And then we'll go ahead and move this down as well. And just continue kind of going down until you have a nice little tunnel of stuff. So once you finish this, what we could do is we could go on the render right here. We've got some lighting in the scene already. We can go ahead and just delete that. And then we can take one of these. We'll go and minus off the material. Just making sure that he's alright. Let's go with Shift D. Move this to the side. We'll go with new material and we'll go with the principal, an emission for this one. You could have any emission that you'd like. So we'll go with Shift D and move this to the side. And then we could go with Shift D again, move this to the side right here. You can go ahead and move these across into different positions. So alpha rotates. And then we can go with Shift D once more and move these to the side. And then we can just go ahead and place these on that side as well. So the emissions themselves, we want to turn them up so that they're actually catching and stuff. Let's go with add, plane, S for scale, G, bring this down, S for scale. There you go, G, and bring this across. And if you haven't already, change from EV to cycles. And this is what we should have. I'm going to go ahead and darken the background on this. And then for the depth of field, all we need to do is choose one of these little boards that we've made right here. So let's go with the data section. You want to go to the depth of field. Use the dropper and choose one of the boards. And then the lower the f-stop, the more the front will be blurred and the back will be blurred. So if I just show you this, so you see this is all blurred right now. Higher the f-stop, everything's in focus. Lower the f-stop, everything starts to blur. So depending on what you'd like, I'm going to move some of these as well just to the front, just to kind of iterate a point here. Yeah, so you can totally do anything that you would like here. And I think that's the tutorial for today. Yeah, if you guys liked, please subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.